morning, besties. Welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday. It is 7:30 and I'm supposed to be at yoga right now, and I set the wrong alarm. I set it for one of them that are only valid, weekdays, Monday through Friday, and it is, Saturday. So we're not at yoga. We have another one that I signed up for at 8:30, but I like the 7:30 one much better because I feel like I'm getting an actual really hard workout, whereas the 8:30 one, it's the one that I call circus yoga, and it's got the more extreme poses that you're working on getting to, but there's a lot that I absolutely cannot do, and it's like when we're practicing headstands against the wall and I can't even get to the middle pose of that. So I spend a lot more time sitting and watching than actually doing, which is fine. It's just not much of a workout. But in any case, now we have an hour until we have to go to yoga. So we're getting ourselves out of bed. We'll start this vlog. Welcome to a Saturday in my life. My house with no overhead lights, which right now at 7:30, it's fine. When I get up for work in the morning, it is so dark and I stumble out to the hallway and the light switch, and then the bathroom is down the hall. There is a light right there for the hall, but nothing in the actual rooms. And the light switch isn't until you get to the stairs landing. So there's a good, 5 feet before I get to a light switch. And yeah, there's a light switch right there, but it just powers the lamps that, used to be in the room. Does anyone else have a house from I think the house is built in 79? Is this normal?
I feel like the flash is on at all times because it's always just so dark. But here's our outfit for yoga. Reebok shirt from Walmart. These are old Victoria's Secret leggings when they used to have a sports line. And I heard they're bringing the sports line back. And then sandals from Walmart. And I feel like my sweaters are just scattered amongst every single room. I don't know what I want to wear. They will eventually just go on the shelves up here. This is the teacher closet, but the stuff is mixed up. Because there is a little sportswear in here too. Because over here in athletic closet land, I want it to go bar, and then a shorter one down here too. Wow, you can really see I messed up that paint job. Whatever. And the shelving is disgusting. And so actually my dad and I were going to Menards today. I'm gonna bring you with. Okay, I found a sweater. This is one of my favorites because it's orange glitter on the back. I forget what I've all talked about in vlogs, but this is the main linen closet in this beautiful yellow. And there's the attic hatch, and we are working on installing our overhead lights in all of these rooms. And much like the lights that I bought to replace these in the hall, we have some of the supplies to do it, or in this case we have the lights, and Dan just hasn't gotten around to doing it, which is fine. I mean, I haven't done a lot of my own projects too. My favorite little breakfast. This is delicious. This is my favorite flavor. So my paint job will probably be hidden, or maybe we'll repaint before we put the new shelving stuff on, depending on what's behind all of this. Oh, please don't be yellow. Because we have plenty of paint all over the place. But I'm hoping to do this. So 2 shirt-worthy ones, but generally one day I'd like to do leggings that hang, so that would be about that same size too. And then bins like this with my sweaters in them just go vertically on the shelf. So I'm happy with the shelf height. I just would like a new shelf situation because they're, gross. And then this can come out. You can really tell on camera how bad of a painter I am. Don't hire me to paint, y'all. And then on the back side of the door, I also just put my various gym water bottle collection. Hey, Shay. How are you doing? Yes, hello. I can't imagine this being a bedroom. How would you fit a bed in here? There's no room. Every time I look at this wall, I'm I really don't like this brown. And we never did repaint it like the other 2 bedrooms. And then obviously it must have been white once upon a time because we took the trim off to put the flooring in. I'm talking here. Maybe over winter break or something, I'll repaint it.
So you could have had this all done already by now.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be crowbarring away.
Just for giggles, see if that other light works.
The hallway?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's different.
They're different circuit breaker things.
Yeah.
Here's the new one compared to the old one. Let's see when he turns the breaker back on how bright it is compared to what it was this morning. Oh, look at that spider web. Wow! And we have lights! The creepy light in the closet. We accidentally, by we I mean my dad, poked a hole in the drywall of the closet. It's fine. We'll fix it after we paint. We're waiting for the spackle to dry. We're gonna paint again. And we have some shelves. And I, an almost 30-year-old woman, bought a nightlight because it's really dark in the mornings with no lights to have to stumble from here to there. So turns out the light that I bought before for the outdoors has to be drilled into wood basically, and my dad doesn't want to be dealing with I think it's called a hammer drill to get into brick, so we got a different one. We went to Culver's and Menards together, but I got sent to Walmart the second time by myself because he says he needs a nap. So we're gonna grab a coffee too, and then we'll go back, put these lights in. And I really, really want to paint today, but that spackle is drying so slow. I guess it's a 24-hour dry time, and it's kind of cold, and so that doesn't help it either. I haven't shown the outside of my house because I don't want weirdos finding me, but we're changing out this exterior light. The exterior light is like a smart light floodlight, and then this 11-inch is going to go right here, and then there's two more of these 8-inch ones, the same ones upstairs. And that's going to be this one, and then this one. Update, it is not going well.
Why won't you come off of there? Oh, this one's, are you kidding me?
It goes the other way.
Yeah, righty-tighty, this one's the right way.
And the other one's the left. So he's going to flip the breaker. So like the new one compared to the old one right there, they're both should be on because I think we left them on. It's going to be such a difference. Waiting on a breaker. Do 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 do. My morning selfies are going to be so wonderful. Like, it's dark outside and you can still see me. Yay! I probably don't even need the flash on. I think it's automatic. I had the flash turned on automatically because I'm so used to having the flash on because it's been so dark. But look at this fantastic pajama-rific outfit. What a productive day. So many lights installed. Closet, kind of a stall. But tomorrow I'm going to paint it after I sand off the spackle stuff, and then we're gonna continue closeting next week. We have all the stuff. So next Saturday, my dad will come over and assist with me because you don't want me closeting alone. That's just a recipe for disaster. And I just wanted to show you guys, this is kind of what it looks like in the morning. Like pitch dark, can't see anything, but check out this new nightlight. That's pretty great for a $5 nightlight. It's obviously dark in here. I can still sleep, and it's daylight detecting. It was only $4. What? I wish I had an outlet on this wall so I could have another, but I guess beggars cannot be choosers. I am working on organizing the bathroom that we haven't been using because this one has all the random parts of, I don't even know what it is. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I'll see you in the next one.